Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you.
Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Happy birthday. God bless you. I mean, belated happy birthday. See you soon and hope to jam and dance with you soon. Bye-bye.
Birthday! Birthday na ating pinagdiriwang buwan o taon-taon. Kahit anumang edad man ang ating kinabibilangan, age doesn't matter, ika nga nila. Kahit anumang edad man yan, lahat yan mapapantayan mo. Kahit ano ka pa ay kakayanin mo. Kahit anumang hirap o pagsubok man ng mga pinagdadaanan mo ay malalagpasan mo yan at makakamit mo ang iyong tagumpay sa hirap at ginhawa, sipag, tiyaga at diskarte ang puhunan. Kahit yung edad mo ay tumataas, pero ikaw ay hindi kailanman magbabago. Ang pananaw mo sa buhay ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang buhay magpakailanman. And I thank you.
Queen Yasmin, maraming salamat sa binigay mong birthday spoken word. Matagal na kitang kilala at hanga ako sa'yo. Thank you so much, Yasmin, para dito.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Abby. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Abigail Matias. Magbate mula sa SK Federation, President of Hermosa. Have a good health and happy life.
Happy birthday, Tita Abby. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Abby. Abigail Matias, nakita ko yung pangalan mo dun sa Hot Sexy Mom ng Olonga po. So, happy birthday.
Hi, Abigail Basa Matias. We wish you
Happy birthday! Woo!
Love you.
Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. Sana po'y parating nasa tip-top shape ang inyong kalusugan. God bless you.